US Dollar Custodial Certificates are securities listed on the JSE that give the holder a direct right to the capital portion of a US Treasury bond. They are different from a normal inward-listed ETN in that the investor doesn't take any risk on the issuing bank. So the investor's credit risk is not to First Rand Bank Limited. He has direct credit risk to the US government, and he earns a yield in dollars but paid in Rand. The idea is to allow investors exposure to US dollar-denominated assets to protect themselves against a weakening Rand and also to diversify their portfolios into other currencies. Also, being inward listed, corporates and individuals do not need to obtain exchange control approval in order to invest, and we think that makes it quite attractive as well. It would be more retail and high net worth as well as corporates, so corporates excluding financial institutions. Financial institutions like asset managers still need to mark this off their foreign allowance, but companies, trusts, etc., they don't mark any foreign exchange allowance off this, so they don't need special permission in order to invest. Well, being a dollar asset, the underlying is a US 10-year Treasury bond. Naturally, the price of the instrument will track the US dollar exchange rate. You will pick up some of the movements in the underlying bond as well. So it's not a pure Rand dollar play. There is the price movement in the underlying bond as well. But ultimately, it will track the Rand dollar exchange rate to a great degree, including the changes that you have in the underlying bond price as well. So classic theory is that the price of a bond is inversely related to its yield. So as interest rates rise, you should see the price of the US bond fall. But that could be offset by a weakening Rand as well.